Chapel Fire and EMS walked out of New Albany Township last week, 10 employees did not follow. 9 quit to work for the newly created fire department there.
That has led to staffing issues for New Chapel as it fulfills its Clark County EMS contract. Wave News troubleshooter Mark Stevens says New Chapel has asked for help from surrounding fire departments.
New Chapel is up front saying it told other fire departments it needed help because of its staffing kit. Now the county is also taking note to make sure ambulance service will remain if New Chapel doesn't.
We are much better staffed with paramedics for our area than the county is for the whole county.
Tri-Township Fire Chief Amir Musavi says his ambulances have transported 11 patients since New Chapel reached out for help 6 days ago. The staff is happy to serve, but he says they can't do this forever.
There's no funding from the county government to prop us up more to say, hey, you're more capable apparently of having more paramedics just because the way we're structured.
A New Chapel spokesperson says they plan to fold in their New Albany Township staff into the Clark County operations after losing that contract and Floyd County's ambulance contract at the end of May. But 10 employees quit in 6 hours. New Chapel has since stabilized its staffing, and the spokesperson says it is financially strong.
I'm not intimately aware of their finances, but I want to make sure that we don't have our head in the sand as far as what's going on. So, you know, if something would happen today, we're ready. If something happens over the next few weeks or months, we're ready.
Clark County Health Officer Eric Yazel stresses if people need an ambulance in Clark County, one will show up. But the county has plans in place if New Chapel were to close up shop. He says the health department has already been revisiting its public safety plan to allow other ambulance companies to operate.
Several of the sections are just not applicable to the current situation and are actually obstructive rather than protective for our citizens. And so we've been looking at revising it anyway.
Yazel's letter says there was only one very long response time since June 1st. An ambulance got caught in traffic on the freeway. Mark Stevens, Wave News.
Thanks, Mark.